Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to clear cache on Bing browser. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in www.bing.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bing, if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the middle of the screen, we have the search bar, where you can go and search for anything that you want. In the top right corner, we have your profile, and we have everything about the Bing application. And in the bottom side of the screen, we have all of the latest news. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and clear cache on Bing browser. So first of all, go to www.bing.com, as I told you in the start of the video, and then locate the three horizontal lines menu icon in the top right corner of the page. So it is here. You can go and click on them. Then click on privacy from the drop down menu. So as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the sixth thing is privacy. Click on privacy. After that, scroll down to the section on managing your activity data and click on browsing history. Then, so you have to of course go and sign in first here. And then when you sign in with all of the information that you put already, then click on clear all. Clear all to clear all search history, cache, and cookies. And that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye guys.